In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to keep your Google Chrome browser running smoothly and efficiently in just 5 minutes. We'll walk through some key settings and options to ensure optimal performance and security. Ready? Let's dive in. First, open up your Google Chrome browser. Once you have it open, direct your attention to the upper right hand corner. You'll see 3 vertical dots. Go ahead and click on those. This menu is your entryway to a variety of features within Chrome. After clicking the 3 dots, select Settings from the drop-down menu. Doing this will take you to a new page filled with options to customize your browsing experience. Among these options, focus on the section titled Privacy and Security. This is where you'll manage your privacy settings, an essential aspect for staying secure online. Now within privacy and security, find and click on third-party cookies. Here you'll want to ensure that allow third-party cookies is selected. While some people prefer to block third-party cookies for privacy reasons, allowing them can improve site functionality. Consider your personal needs and preferences here. Once you've adjusted cookie settings, it's a good time to clear any unnecessary data. Return to the privacy and security section where you'll find delete browsing data. Click on it and you'll see an option labeled time range. Select all time to ensure you're clearing the entire history of stored data. Following this, click on delete data. This action will help free up space and can sometimes speed up your browser. Next, let's ensure your browser is up to date for security and performance improvements. You'll want to scroll down within the settings menu until you find About Chrome. Click on it and Chrome will automatically check for updates, downloading the latest version if needed. Lastly, an often overlooked step is making sure you're logged into your Google account in Chrome. This can enhance your experience by synchronizing preferences and history across devices. If you're not already logged in, now is the perfect opportunity to do so. You can find this option within the main settings menu under You and Google. And there you have it, a straightforward process to keep Google Chrome performing at its best. Maintaining your browser doesn't have to be a complex task. With these simple steps, you'll enjoy a faster, more secure browsing experience. Thank you for joining this tutorial. I hope you found it helpful. Be sure to like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Until next time.